This is our exclusive ABS-CBN Sports coverage of the UAAP Season 74 Final Four. Right now, we are featuring the #1 team at the end of the elimination round, Far Eastern University, taking on the #4 team, De La Salle University. But La Salle off to a hot start here in the opening set as we take a look at the highlights.
You know, you really get to appreciate defense in this first set as shown to us by DLSU. As the saying goes, diba nga, defense wins championship, and this is what DLSU proved right now, at least in this first set. FEU really tried so much attack, varied all their shots, even the setters trying to vary their sets, trying to delay all sorts of hits from the spikers of FEU, but it just wasn't enough. They were not fooling any blocker from the green side, but let's see the second set if they're able to adjust and pull out more tricks. Look at the attack points. Pareho lang naman. It was really the blocks. None for FAU, 5 for DLSU. That is 5 points from blocks alone. Pero yung blocking that they stop the ball or they slow down the ball, hindi yan kasama dyan. But FAU had 3 service aces, but still wasn't enough to take that set.
And it didn't help FEU's cause as well that they committed 10 unforced errors in that opening set.
Most of those errors were at the coverage skill. Yung after the block, nagtitinginan lang sila. They were so surprised that the ball was coming back. So let's see if they're able to adjust to that problem in the second set.
It was George Pascua in the latter portion of that first set. Shuffled his players, brought out Petrus De Ocampo, sent in the second setter, Ferdinand Garcia, but still unable to confuse the La Salle defense.
Now going back to almost all his starters here in the second set, getting the first point of this set via that back row attack. Oh,
getting that gift there was Alexis Faitaren.
And Faitaren, look at him go up in the air and make sure almost dumped the ball. Look at him go up. Nakita niya, no blockers. This should be a sure point.
Petrus De Ocampo now. Very sharp serve there. A joust at the top. Chance ball now for FEU. It's a back set.
Coach George was asking for a violation, but then again, they take that point. Try to look at this. Oh, but that was the attack that got them the point. But before that, there was a joust at the net, and Coach George was saying na backliner yung setter, so dapat violation.
Well, FEU, a very composed team, even when under intense pressure. In their last game of the elimination round against Adamson, they actually went down in the first 2 sets before sweeping the rest of the sets to finish the elimination round on a high note.
Well, that shows you the character of the squad, and again, the winning tradition of the school, yung hindi basta-basta magpapatalo. Again, I think 24 championships to their name. And of course, the women's team having 29 of their own. So siguro it's safe to say that they're the winningest.
Yes, FEU is the winningest institution here in the world of Philippine volleyball in the collegiate level.
Oh,
5-0! Wow!
And that goes out. Avila was surprised it was called out, but because it hit the net, you know, the ball bounced and it bounced out. Yeah, clearly. Regalo na eh.
The mishandling of the ball
off the serve, and because of that goes out.
Nawala yung focus.
Oo eh. Pati yung rhythm mo, di ba? Biglang napunta ka sa ibang spot. But
nagmadali
actually,
na.
pwede siyang bumalik eh. Because you have, I think, mga 10 seconds eh, to serve the ball.
Faitaren. Bernardino pops it up. Santos. It's a back set. FEU now will execute.
Oh,
J.R. Labrador slamming it off Rivera's block.
And that was such an angle. Look at this once again. He was right in the middle. Pero look at that angle. Very sharp and he still got it.
Now it is FEU off to a blazing start here in the second set.
Oh, and that's going to go out. Error at the serve by Faitaret.
But an early advantage here for the guys in yellow.
For De La Salle.
De La Vega now once again the serve for LaSalle. De Ocampo to his partner, J.R. Labrador.
That's a good one. A header for Labrador.
Bounce back to his head, and FEU will take it. They are up by 6. J.R. Labrador enjoying that last one.